This is a sofa, and here is another sofa. Classic, modern, fabric, leather, firm, soft, and so many colours. All loved by people who nap, play, talk, drink, quarrel, game, and read in one of our sofas. What a wonderful thing. But how did this all start? In 1967, Simon Lichtenberg was born in Copenhagen in a home filled with classics of Danish furniture. An idea was formed, and it led him to Shanghai, China, where in 1997 he founded Trayton.
We combine the style and functionality of Scandinavian design with Chinese craftsmanship, simply creating the best place to sit.
Our relentless passion drives us to design and develop products which meet the needs of our clients around the world. For our customers, for you, for everyone. At Trayton, we have the largest, most modern facilities, equipped with state-of-the-art technology and innovation, which places us at the forefront of our industry. But sofa making is also a traditional craft. Researching, designing, cutting, sewing, shaping, aligning, testing and testing again. A precision process from start to finish. A perfect result every single time. Style, comfort, and quality. But what really makes our product great are the people of Trayton. Strong teamwork, passion, and a sense of responsibility characterizes us. We love what we do, and we have the best tools in the world. The hands of Doris in PD, Shui Ping in cutting, Hijie sewing, Jin Long's carpentry and Junjun's finishing, Angie in marketing and Damon in sales.
I'm proud of what we have built together. An exceptional combination of form, functionality, quality, and value.
This is what we do. We create sofas. A place to dream. Dream about ideas and things that make us feel alive. We create the best place to be.